Order filled.
Yo, what up? What up?
Order filled. Order filled.
Yo, price action is fucking crazy right now.
Order filled.
If it holds 500, we're gonna rip. It doesn't feel great.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
This is it. I'm either gonna get fucking smoked. Oh, are you fucking kidding me?
Order filled.
Ah, jeez.
Order filled.
No, it's gonna hold.
Order
Fuck
filled.
me.
Order filled.
I completely destroyed this account. I don't know if it's the bottom, man. I completely destroyed this account. Fuck me, man. It's over. The account's gone. Peace.
Order filled.
Bro, I was fucking short. Oh, that fucking sucks so bad. I had it. I had it. I had it and got fucking stopped out. I had it. I was short. Fuck. I had it. I can't believe that. I can't believe that just happened to me. I just got yo-yoed. Oh, that was the worst fucking thing in the world that just happened right there. I was literally holding for a big fucking short. All I had to do was just not touch it. What's up, Dora? What's up, Folly? All I had to do was just not touch it. Sure. Yeah, Keith, I got to look at it. I got off the computer yesterday and didn't look. I'll handle it this afternoon. Oh, I can't believe that just happened. That would have been such a nice fucking payout, too. Damn, man. Damn, that was freaking money, too. Money, money, money right there. So stupid. That's crazy. I had this. Had it. Fucking had it. Dude, I appreciate that, Keith. I can't even look at this fucking thing. Damn. Yo, what up, fam? Dude. That's crazy. Keith, I sent you stuff, Keith. Should cover majority of the new accounts you get. I don't even think this is done. Auto liquid way too early. Dr. T trades. I haven't. I had one issue with Apex this morning. Damn, you blew 9 funded accounts today. I thought I was having a bad day. I blew 1 funded account when I knew it was going to drop, and that ruins my whole day. I had one problem this morning. The price was not showing correctly for like 30 seconds, and that was it. Other than that, I haven't had any issues. Dude, I made a lot of money though in, well, this is an eval, but this is a funded account. That's a funded account. This is a funded account. I actually made money everywhere today. This fucking kills me more than anything. I got another day at $200 in this one. I don't even want to look at Topstep. It fucking disgusts me what just happened. What do you think? 400 bounce? Woo! Oh, 400 bounce. Bounce it. Trying to get. Yo, what up, Sean? You blew 2 Apex evals in overnight? Dude, I can't trade overnight. Are you allowed to hedge on Apex evaluations so you blow 1 and pass 1? I actually do not know the answer to that. Somebody brought that up like a week ago or 2 weeks ago. If you can go long in one and short in another, because the price fluctuates, you're not going to just pass one from 50,000, because even if one went straight up, you would only be up 2,500 and the other one would be blown. You're still not over, but price never goes straight up. So like you might get like $1,500 in one before the other one blows. I guess if you had, they were like close enough where like, say they were both $500 away, maybe. I don't know if you're allowed to do it. Yeah, but they both have a $2,500 drawdown, and you got to reach 3,000. So you're not going to get $3,000 gain without blowing the other one. But I guess if you got both of them up to like 52,000, I guess you could do it. I don't know. Like I don't do it. I'm just saying, I guess you can. If you were close, I would say you'd have to be like, you'd have to probably be within $1,200 to $1,400 of passing to get it. Probably more like $1,200 of passing. So you need like 51,800 to probably do it. I don't know. I haven't done it. So I'm just taking a guesstimate on what it would need to be. Dude, this market's getting fucking destroyed. This is an eval, guys. This isn't funded. I don't trust this price action right now to trade a funded account. I'm just waiting for things to. I think a long is. I think I long right over this. This is an eval, just so you know. I'm not trading a funded account. I like that we broke 460. Oh, come on, man. That was my funded account. All right, I got $600 in this one. I'm just trying to get some of these accounts. Fuck, I can't believe I blew that funded account. Actually, you know what? Dude, these candles are big, just so you are aware. Like, oh, dude, just rejected at the previous day. This is the previous day low, right? Previous day low. To the fucking T. I didn't even. Boom! Let's go! Get back on fucking track. I don't think the only thing I could trade is this one eval. All my other funded accounts are up way too much already. Well, not this one, but I locked in day 2, so I'm just going to sit here and enjoy day 2. Yo, what up, Flip? Flip, flip, flip. I have a feeling they'll bring this up again, but I don't know if this is the bottom. Dude, that's a pretty solid power bottom right there, man. Came right off 400 and just ripped 100 points. You're approaching the hourly opening range from the bottom. I wonder if they reject it. That would be the Oh, I just fucking caught that right real fucking quick. I told you guys, I called it. I said it's right there. Called that. That was the scalp I was looking for. Yeah, I saw him's was up. I'll be honest with you. Yo, market's getting freaking kicked in the dick right now. I'm only down $473. I knew enough to take more profits off. So I hedged a lot of my stuff. Like I protected the account just what I was talking about it yesterday. Somebody brought it up about NVIDIA's thing, and they mentioned that they think the sell-off is going to come. I completely agreed that we were running into NVIDIA's thing, and then it was going to sell off. I definitely took plenty of profits. I would love us to really freaking dip. Dude, if we can consolidate right here for like 5 or 6 candles and then go through, that would be perfect. I want to see consolidation. Why was HIMS up so much earlier too? I meant to ask you that. Why was it up so much? I did see it was up a ton, but I didn't know why. Come back down, retest the bottom orb, and then go. Something about donating to Trump's fund. That's interesting. Come on, I want to see it come down, tap this, and then bounce back up. So what you guys got to look at. So see how we bounced here, and then this was the high. And then we dropped further. When you re-break over this, that's super bullish. And I'll show you. This script does it out for me. See this line? They do it out. But when you're going down, you're looking for the previous highs and you want to break back over that, and that usually signals a trend change. Sometimes you get, what did you get here? 30 points. And then sometimes you get a lot more, but you could definitely move your, you go up 30 points. I would assume you've moved your stop up at that point. But that's all this script kind of does, is when you're trending one way. So the pivot point is at 517. I completely jumped the gun on this. I'm not even going to sit here and say I didn't. I got an awful entry, and I'm fucking just going to be out. I think it's going to push back down. I guess I missed it by 4 or 5 points. Yo, what up, bull breakers? What up, what up? I kind of like that the price is not moving down much as we're kind of rolling over on stochastics. Am I not going to get filled? Yo, $210, guys. You could essentially be done for the day. I don't know why I didn't fucking do that in the other account. Thang. ICT concept. Good stuff with that macro fair value gap on that macro you showed. Consolidation or breakdown to the discount area. I suspect to the end of the day it will be nearly complete retrace. You think we're going to retrace all the way back? We might. Oh, I have my fucking finger on this button. Oh. Oh. I like to mix all the concepts thing, not just. I wanted to get a better entry, to be completely honest. I actually need to take some of these off the copier because I'm copy trading and some of these are up a lot. Like these are up $300 already. So I'm going to take 51 off. I'm going to take 53 off. And what one should I add? I should add 42. I should add 47. Okay. Oh, baby. If I get it on the way back up, if we go back up. Oh, I don't like that we fell back, but we are above the pivot point, and now we're going back in. I should have fucking held. Typical, typical, typical. Hopefully someone else just followed and held and made fucking 20 points on that. I sold at 21. Huh. I do think this is bullish consolidation right here. Come back down a little bit. Come back down. Let me scout. Fuck. Buy one micro and just hold it to the end of the day. Here, you know what I'll do? I'll do something like that. Ready? I'll do 46. There. I'll hold it to 79 because we're actually breaking out of this. Let's see how much juice it's got. I mean, I got a 40 point stop loss right now. I'm looking to get 580. I mean, you had a little flag here and you're kind of breaking out. So I'd like to see a big push. If we get there, so I'm going to fill up my water bottle, but push it up to 74 for me. I'll be right back. Just fill up my water bottle. Oh, it didn't go? Doesn't look good at all, actually. Tough. I got fucking. Yo, what's up? This doesn't look good. Dude, it's freaking. How's my trading today? I mean, you could. So I'm up in all these accounts. This is a funded account up $900. Funded account up 556. Funded account up 156. I blew a Topstep funded account. Another Topstep funded account is up. I think it's up. What is it up? I don't know, 200 and something bucks. That one that I'm in on Volumetrica is an eval. I'll still scalp in between. Up in all of my take profit trader ones also. Yeah, no, I'm definitely up today. There's no doubt in that. No doubt in that. We have made quite a bit of money. See, I haven't had any issues. What issues are you guys having? I'm just taking a shot here if we don't. This is an eval, so. I only had one issue where the price didn't match. Oh, too fucking slow. Come on. Work it down, baby. I wouldn't take this with a funded account, just an FYI. There's no like, I don't want to say positive setup, but there's this setup just isn't. Man, I love the downside today, but it might pop. Yo, Fred, are you using platform X with Bullnox? What are you using? Oh, yes, Project X. That's what it is. This is like make or break it right here. We're right under the hourly orb. If we close back in, I would say that is bullish, but the chart was definitely delayed for me. I definitely had a delayed chart. I made money because I was looking at another chart at the same time. And when I bought, my take profit is automatically in. So it like filled it, but it was showing it weird. What do we got? A little flag here. Are we going to break up? To the upside? Is it going? Get back in here. I would definitely say bullish if we could get back in. Come on. Like the little engine that could. Nah, it's not looking great. It can't close above 24 is the issue. I I prematurely bought. Premature violation is what that's called. Usually I wait for an actual close into the orb. Damn. Fucking scored it anyways. Ew. They just gave that up so easily. Are they going to rip it? So I'm just glad I got this account back to down $30, man. This thing was down. What was it down? $400 or $500 just before? 90 bucks, $100, $90 there, 110, 80 bucks. I definitely scalped the shit out of this thing to get it back. What up, Nao? What up, Prelim? Yo, Jack, what up? That's not what you want to see. Up on 2 funded. Yo, Walter the Goat. Yo, this is for scalping right now. Yo, Jack, you up on the account that you won? Nice, man. Good luck with it. Good luck with it, man. Hopefully you take a payout with it. I love to see you guys doing well, man. That's what it's about. That is exactly what it's about. Still fucking holding strong in that short. Four more days. Get them payouts. Man, this is just chop right now. This is just chop. Man, it doesn't look great. Well, this is the 5. You got a big hammer. I would say on the 5, if you can go over like 60, you'd invert this fair value gap on the 5, and it'll probably take it up. On the 15, it looks like you got a bear flag forming. Nope, there we go. Holy shit. Lucky I just went there. I had an order still sitting there. That was where I was selling my position that I got fucking bottom ticked on. Oh. What do I think of Apex netting $10 million a month or more or less? I mean, I've been telling you guys for months that Apex is going nowhere, and you guys keep telling me that Apex is not going to be able to pay you your payouts. I've been telling you that they've been making a ton of money for a while. I don't see why it's that surprising to anybody. You know, everybody is like, "Oh, Apex is making money." It's like, dude, been telling you. Look at the website traffic. They are double the size of like Topstep. I mean, they're massive. So everybody that thinks Apex isn't going to pay you, Am I worried they're going to get sued? They're getting sued? Dude, everybody's getting sued. Like, Apple's getting sued right now. Should I be worried that Apple's going under? Like, they're going to get sued and then they're going to pay it out over time if they're getting sued. There was some shit I saw, like they're getting sued from one of the founders or whatever. Like, dude, that's not going to affect their business at all. It came out that they're getting sued, and I don't know. I didn't really look into it. Somewhere it said they were making $10 million a month. I mean, I'm personally not worried about it. Listen, like, who cares if they're making $10 million a month? If you're getting payouts and you're using them, you hope they're profitable, right? I mean, you'd want them to be making money. Did you want Apex to be losing money? Because then they're probably not going to pay you out. Yeah, it's not by business. It's not due to the business practice. He's like owed money or owed whatever. I mean, I'm not worried one bit. Yeah, what up, Matt? Yeah, it's not like the profit trade or fast track. I mean, I'm not worried at all. Got that 9 bounce. Yo, Apex would definitely be the last one standing. You know who never has an issue, guys? That you never hear once? Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader never has an issue. I don't get why more people don't use them. I don't understand why more people aren't using Take Profit Trader. Dude, this is one big fucking chop zone. I'm just trying to scalp. I'm going to get fucked though. Yep. Let's see if it holds the bottom here. I brought this account back from down 400, something like that. Whoo, baby. 250 bucks. Daily loss limit 80% profit. It's 80% profit, so you pull out 5,000, and then it's 90%. The only issue I have with Take Profit Trader for whatever reason is I cannot get accounts to be profitable. Yeah, I don't know. People don't use Take Profit because there's a mental block with daily payouts. People hate daily payouts. They want to wait for the payout window. I mean, the only rules that Take Profit Trader has is you can't trade during news and the daily loss limit. But I mean, you could smack your nutsack on the mouse and buy and add and DCA and do all the shit that you want to do, and no one cares. The news rule is dumb. What, that you shouldn't be trading news anyways, to be honest with you. Would you put it like this? Would you trade news if it was your real money? If you were trading your real money, would you be trading news? Probably not. Let's all be real. You're probably not trading news with your real money. The two true daily payout companies are the best. I'm just saying, people that you don't hear in the news, you know, you just blew another 50K account flip. I don't know about the Canadian rule. I'm not Canadian. 2-minute rule on news. Yeah, 1 minute before, 1 minute after. I mean, you could trade their evals on news. You just can't trade funded accounts. Boom, 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 boom. The account you just blew was a YOLO account? I'm just wondering if we just keep holding this 500 area. Like, I'm just trying to play the zone. Nope. Giving it up for real. Man, this could be a pretty big rollover. This is risky as fuck, though. I'm just throwing it out there. The only reason why I'm, is super risky. We're already pretty sold off on the one, which is down here already. They can easily just buy this back up to 500. When I get consistent, I would say that's probably a better way to go about it. When you get consistent, Take Profit Trader. See, they're buying, like, just feels like they don't have, there's not many sellers. That's why I got out with a scalp. Just bring it right back into this range, I guess. When would you say is a good point to know you can quit your job and focus on trading full time? Matt, I think it depends on where you are in your life. I don't know if you have like kids. I don't know if you have a wife. If you have like a wife and kids, I mean, I would need personally like 2 years worth of money to keep me going to trade full time, and knowing that I've been profitable for at least 6 months. If I was profitable for 6 months straight, where those 6 months could have paid all my bills, plus saved money, plus I have 2 years worth of money, then I would say, hey, you're pretty much there for full time. 2 years of money, and at least the last 6 months, every month you could have paid all your bills with your trading money. If you were telling me that you're a single guy and you're like 20 years old and you have like an apartment, I would probably say, hey man, if you were profitable the last, I don't know, 4 months straight and you could pay your bills, I would say, hey, give it a shot, because most likely you're working at, you're not into your career or anything. And hey, if you wanted to take a shot, that's not a bad, spot to take a shot. But I'll be honest with you, like, I don't know if you're trading stocks or options at the same time. Like, you should always have some type of other income coming in. Yeah, but you know what? If you can make both right now, I would ride both as long as you can until you couldn't do it anymore. I just don't ever want to see somebody quit their job and then they're just fucked. Just keeping it real. Like, so outside of prop firm trading, I write options that give me plenty of money that I could live off that. Yo, what up, Ace? What up? What up? Dude, everyone's doing good. How about you, man? I just think a lot of people are quick to go full time when they haven't even been doing this that long. So that's my only thing, is I would definitely wait it out. Yeah. You know what the problem, Matt, is? If once you go full time, you're going to put so much pressure on yourself that you're going to have to make money every day doing this, that you're going to start making decisions like, oh, let me sell quick because I need the money. Like, you don't ever want to be in that position. What up, Island Boy? Dude, are they not going to just fucking bounce it right here? Oh, I fucking hate this chop. I always lose money in the chop. Always lose money in the chop. I was hoping that this would have held, but apparently not. Yeah, so, obviously, I own a business outside of this, but outside of prop firms, I make my bread and butter here. So, like, I know that, I have enough to I have enough money that I've consistently been making month in and month out that I'm going to be okay no matter what. Whether I get a prop firm payout or not, I still trade the markets and make money. And that's what I would say. Did that just fucking happen to me? What's up, Yan? What's the wowza? I can't stand this chop. Come on. I do this all the time in chop. Oh, they're not going to take me out? Oh, come on. Come on, man. Oh, shit. Okay. So at least I was able to scalp one. This is not the best session I've ever played, Ray. Take it. Take it. Just so I don't lose a ton of money, I'm just moving my stop up. I was down like $1,000, being that I just scalped twice to get me out of it. You know, what was this, 345? Yeah, I mean, I kind of worked out of a real bad situation there by scalping it twice, but I think if we weren't at 500, we would have dumped already. How's that sound? If we weren't at 500, I would say that we would have dumped. I mean, this is ugly. Like, there's no, like, There's no structure for a move. This was nice, but now you're getting all types of bullshit. All types of bullshit. I'm telling you, if we weren't at 500, we would have probably been destroyed right now. I'm actually debating on whether to take a short here and hold. I'm going to add to this. I want to see it break 500 though. Needs to break 500, and we need some continuation here. This is just an eval, guys. I'm not in a funded account or anything. Just my level of I want to see confirmation. I want to see a real push. Oh, I'm in this funded account now. Okay. I took it because we were right at this wick. I think this could have serious legs to the downside. I kind of want to re-enter, but I feel like it's so risky being already down so much. I do think, though, as we get further away from 500, they'll be willing to really bring it down. You know what I'm going to do? Here we go. Man, that short looks so fucking good. So good. You know, you're getting oversold right here, though. see what you can kind of see though that I was looking at is we broke this flag to the upside, right? So that's bullish. You made this high, right? Then the next high was at, here or here. And then the next bounce you got to here. So you're just showing you're getting lower and lower. Like you're not getting higher highs, you're getting lower highs, which kind of made me want to take this short here. Just to walk you through my thought process, that's what I was looking at. I was super worried that they wouldn't break 500. That's why I didn't go, in it with like a ton of funded accounts and whatnot. Like it just wasn't, I didn't like it for that reason. But if you took away the price, the setup was definitely showing you that you're going to roll. We might even go further down. I was trying to get a scalp out of this to the downside, but I might just get fucking hosed. Might actually get out. They might hold 50. Just didn't get the entry I like. You liking the 150K? I'm a big 50K guy, but if I don't do 50s, I do 150s. I don't do anything more. I don't do anything in the middle. I'm a 50 or 150 guy. There's no real. I think you could do some really big damage with a 150 account. But I think it's easier to get profit with a 50K. I think that's how I think about it. I don't do 5K? What do you mean? When I had to 75K, I just didn't feel serious. Dude, when you're taking out money, you feel serious. What's 5K? Wait, you don't do special K? Oh, 75K? I don't do 75Ks. I think I did one by mistake. Recently, I did 175K by mistake. Other than that, I always do 50s and 150s. Man, this account's giving me some problems today. I don't like it. I don't like it. $75K doesn't make sense. Have you done the Tick direct accounts? I have not. If I do direct accounts, I do Tradeify. I would do Tick if they offered a big discount, but like it doesn't make sense for me to pay $300 or $400 for a funded account when I can get one by passing an eval by much less expensive. Prime example, yesterday I was 1 for 1 with an eval. So I actually paid $16 for it, $85. So I got a funded account, 50K for like $100. How many funded accounts do I have in total? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 19 Apex accounts, 1 Topstep account, 3 My Funded Future accounts, 2 Bullnox accounts, and I also trade my own money in AMP Futures account. Why am I trading Apex accounts? They said not to trade TraderVate. If I didn't trade my Apex accounts, I would have missed out on all these gains today. I haven't had one problem, and I would have missed out on all these funded accounts getting $300, $300, 141, 240. Like, yeah. Could have also gotten liquidated. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not worried, to be honest with you. If I got liquidated because of an issue, I'm sure they would fix it. I don't. Where do they say not to do it? Is it on their website? Where are they saying not to trade TradeOvate today? Just so I could see it. I'm just wondering. I'm at their help thing. The only thing I see is something from yesterday. They're going to post it on Discord soon. Yeah, I've been fine. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, this isn't really like a great setup that I'm going to take my funded account anyways. I'm going to wait till something actually presents itself, but I will, I don't know. I'll probably risk it for the biscuit, you know? I'll probably just keep trading. Yeah, I mean, if something happens, it happens. Most of my, anything that's up 200, 141, I probably won't trade these anymore. I haven't had any issues, so I'm just kind of rolling with it. I have heard other people, but I don't know. I haven't had any issues. I'm about to grab lunch soon anyways, so it's not like I'm probably going to be done trading for a little bit. Only because I got to eat. I'll be honest with you, this is probably a good time to leave real quick, only because not really what I'm looking for in a trade. I'm just looking. I tried MNQ yesterday and flipped one contract. It said I went -6. Yeah, no, I heard about that, Brandon. I heard about it. But they're going to fix your account. There's nothing to worry about. I'm not worried. Obviously, whatever I'm connected to is working out. So I'm just going to continue. I probably won't copy trade though. So maybe I won't copy trade any of those accounts and just trade the 2 red ones and try to get them green, and then just call it. And then just call it till they fix. This is just an eval. I'm not taking this in a funded account. All right, guys, I got to go. About to pass my second bull knocks. Want to be like Cove. Dude, go for it, man. Go for it. Go for it. You know? That's what it's about. I got to go eat something. I am starving. I'll be back at 2 p.m. I'll be back. All right, I'll see you in 2 hours. I got to eat. Just what my thoughts are, to be honest. I would love to see us check 400 and then double bottom off of this and then bounce back up. I don't know if that's going to happen. If we sell through, I mean, oh, geez. I mean, you could see a massive dump. Just seems like it's eyeing this area. Maybe we'll sweep below and then come back up. But I got to go grab some food. All right. Peace.